Cliché Click. Unraveling the charm of clichéd idiomatic expressions. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into an interesting part of our language adventure: understanding the meaning of clichéd idiomatic expressions. These are the idiomatic expressions that you may hear quite often in conversations, movies, books, and more. Understanding these will not only enhance your vocabulary but also give you a deeper sense of the cultural nuances of the English language. Let's start at the beginning. What exactly is a clichéd idiomatic expression? Idioms are phrases or expressions with a meaning that can't be understood from the individual words' meanings. A clichéd idiom, then, is an idiomatic expression that has been overused to the point where it may seem trite or lack originality. Despite their overuse, these phrases still remain a significant part of communication in English, particularly in informal contexts. Now that we know what they are, let's look at some examples of clichéd idiomatic expressions. 1. Break a leg. This phrase doesn't literally mean to break a leg. Instead, it's a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. 2. Bite the bullet. When someone tells you to bite the bullet, they don't actually want you to bite a real bullet. It means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage and determination. 3. The ball is in your court. This doesn't mean that a ball has landed in your yard. It's used to convey that it's now your turn to take action or make the next move. While clichéd idiomatic expressions are common, you need to know how and when to use them. They are most often used in informal conversations or in creative writing to convey meanings succinctly. Avoid using too many in formal writing or speeches, as they can make your language seem less professional. Remember, the key to using idiomatic expressions is understanding their meanings and contexts. That's it for today, language learners. We've embarked on a journey through the world of clichéd idiomatic expressions, unraveled their meanings, and explored their use. Just like other elements of the language, these expressions are a rich and colorful part of English. So, don't shy away from them. Embrace them, understand them, and most importantly, enjoy using them. Until next time, keep exploring and loving the English language.